Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of Java in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for Java download in your preferred search engine. Go to the Java download in oracle.com and look for the Linux version. Choose your Linux distribution and click on the download link. Wait for the download to complete. Before starting the Java installation, we need to check for any pre-installed Java is present in the Linux system. To check that, open the terminal and type the command java ---- version. Then the pre-installed version of JDK will be displayed. Otherwise we can start installing Java from the downloaded package. In this system, there is a pre-installed version of JDK. We can check Java is working with existing JDK installation. Type the command Java and press enter. Java is working in the system. Now we can check Java compiler is present in the system. For that, type the command java c and press enter. Here in this pre-installed JDK, Java compiler is not present. Now we need to uninstall or remove the existing JDK. To remove existing JDK, open the menu and search for Synaptic Package Manager. Search for OpenJDK. From the list of OpenJDK, right-click the installed versions of OpenJDK and click on Mark for removal and click Apply. This will remove pre-installed Java from the system. Now open the terminal and go to the Downloads folder using cd command. Use the ls command to check the downloaded package. Enter the installation command sudo dpkg -i jdk package name. Provide your password and press enter. Wait for the installation to complete. Java is installed successfully. Now we need to set Java and javac. For that, enter the two commands provided in the description below. Type the command Java and press enter to check Java is working. And type the command Java C and press enter to check Java compiler is working. Both Java and Java compiler are working. Now we need to add the JDK path in bash rc. For that, open the bash rc file in any text editor. Add the Java home path at the bottom of the bash rc file and save. Java home path is provided in the description below. Go to home folder in terminal by cd command. Enter the source space .bash rc command to refresh the bash file. Type the command echo space $java_home and press enter. Java home path will be displayed. Java setup is now completed. To check the installed version of Java, type the command java space ---- version and press enter. The newly installed version of Java will be displayed.